Hi everyone, my name is Lord Jithan. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I do all types of videos from vlogs to fashion videos, lifestyle, everything like that. Be sure to like this video, of course. Today is going to be a quick unboxing of sorts. I managed to pick up something over this past week from the Essence sale that's been going on this summer, and it's something that I've wanted for the longest time. I'm finally glad to own this. I can't wait to wear these. It's a pair of slippers, actually sandals, made by none other than the classic Japanese sandals brand Suicoke. And yeah, let's unbox these. I'm gonna give you an on feet. Let's just get right into this, man. Let's go. Alright, so if you guys haven't heard of Suicoke before, they're a Japanese brand known for their slides and sandals. Very well known, many collaborations, a lot of famous fashion models and like designers, artists. Everyone wears Suicokes, and I've always really wanted a pair, but they're always so pricey. They go from like 200 Canadian to all the way to like 400, 500 Canadian. And I managed to pick up these on sale for around 70% off. Shout out Essence once again. I love Essence. Their sale is going crazy right now, so be sure to check that out if you can. But yeah, so these are Suicoke sandals. They're not the slides. The slides are called the moto cabs, but these are actually the DEPA cabs, and these are a special version of the DEPA cabs called the PT-02. So yeah, let's just unbox these. Let me just go over the box. It says Suicoke, inviting atmosphere, wear comfortable products. That's what it says on the box right here. It says that all over pretty much the box. Right here it has like QR codes and the Essence barcode and the tag. So I got these in a size 13, which is what I usually wear for shoes and stuff like that. And yeah, these are made of nylon. They are not navy color, and there's a barcode, QR code and whatnot. One final thing included in the box is these care instructions. It says Suicoke and it has their brand like motto on it, and it says attention in this nice like jade green envelope. And it has the care instructions for the sandals in various languages, which is a nice touch. I really liked how they presented it and they put it in the package. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that comes in the box, and there's the sandals. So let's just actually unbox these. Pretty simple. You just pop this tab open, and inside this wrapping paper, and in that wrapping paper, of course, you got the first pair of the first sandal. I mean, not the first pair. I had just bought one pair. But yeah, so these are the sandals. They are the DEPA Cab PT-02s. Love these. I've always loved the DEPA Cabs. Tyler and his Golf Wang brand actually did a collab with them before. There was different colors. There was like a beige and like a nice mint green type of color, and a blue as well. Never managed to pick it up then, but these, the PT-02, are different from the normal DEPA Cabs, which have more padding on the the forefoot right here, like the toe area, and this only really has the padding on the heel area where your heel is really. Going over the details, this is actually a normal sandal made by Suicoke. Of course, their foam bed is very cushioned, very thick sole, as you can see. It has a lot of support for your foot right here, around this area where your foot, the inside of your foot would be. On the heel, there's a lot of support there, and the toe area, of course, there's support there, which is nice. I like that molded foam aspect of Suicoke sandals. On the back, you can see there's actually Suicoke kind of just like embossed in there. I don't know if you can see it so well because it is embossed in black. But yes, that's the sandal, what the actual foam sole looks like. On the bottom, you can see it's like a typical like herringbone, wavy type traction pattern tread, and it says Suicoke, inviting atmosphere, wear comfortable products on it. And yeah, so that's pretty much the sole. Going on to the actual sandal part, the straps and everything, it is a Navy Paisley, which I managed to pick up. I really liked it. Navy color goes well with a lot of outfits that I wear, which are blue. And yeah, so pretty standard. It has a strap here, Velcro strap here to adjust the top part of your ankle, and then right here on the forefoot you have another Velcro strap to adjust the tightness on that. Of course, there are woven labels on the nylon straps. As you can see, there's the first signature Suicoke woven label that they have on pretty much all their products, especially the DEPAs. It says the inviting atmosphere, yada yada stuff. It's a standard on all Suicoke products usually. On the inside of the strap, you can see there's the sizing label with all the US, UK sizes on this like double nylon strap. And yeah, so that's pretty much the basic construction of the shoe. As you can see, there's one piece of padding for the PT-02 for your heel, and usually it would come with more padding around here as well, but unfortunately this one doesn't. Not that unfortunate. For the main Velcro strap, it has a Suicoke like rubber pull right here, and then it has their like new tag. It says antibacterial, Suicoke antibacterial, because the actual foam bed and sole is a antibacterial foam bed sole, which is a really nice touch. I really like these. This is the right sandal. For the left sandal, it's pretty much the same deal right here. As you can see, it doesn't get much simpler than this. I really like these, very simple, but very, very, very quality and unique. I guess it's iconic design as well. These Suicoke sandals, DEPA cabs. Let me show you guys these on feet, and yeah, let's go.